here we have done all the things, but one thing is left, that in what container we should put these holy colors. So I will also tell you how to make the container also. So let's get started. That is so easy, so simple. So here I have cut a piece of paper. Its length is about approximately 7 centimeter and its height is about 10 centimeter. Here I have also cut it half of its length, half of its height, not length. Its length should be same. So what we have to do now, here we have cut it. Now take any round surface, but before that cut a piece of tape, transparent cello tape. So here is the tape, here is the plastic sheet. Here I have done. Cut the excess from the height of the sheet. Take the tube, then from the no tape side, roll it. Roll it perfectly, like this. Here it is done. But before removing this from the tube, take another piece of tape and do the same thing with this also. Cut the length, cut the breadth from it. Place it on the tube that we have made. Okay, so roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Done. Now you can remove the tube and the cap also. So now what we have to do, we have to seal the tubes. But how? Take any parchment paper like this. Okay, parchment paper. Okay, so here the glue gun comes. So pour some glue gun on the parchment paper like this. Okay, place one side of the tube on it. The tube should be covered completely. Same thing with the cap of the tube. One side of the tube, place that. So till it dries, let's decorate this. With the help of glue gun, I am pasting a strip of paper on the tube to make it more beautiful. Okay, so here it is dried up. Cut the excess glue gun from the sides. cut it neatly. Okay, do the same thing with the. So here I have already made a paper cone. So I have cutted this and it is all sealed. So I am having color. So now with the help of the paper cone, place the paper cone. Before that, mix the holy color well. Place the tube. Place the cone on the tube and fill the tube with holy colors. Holy color, holy color, holy color. Tap it. Fill a little bit more till the top comes. Okay, tap it. It is all done. Now the cap. Place the cap on the tube like this. And now close the tube. Here we have done a holy color.